Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a skateboard bear. That's right, we're going to draw a cute bear skateboarding. This bear will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing the bear's head. Let's draw a little tuft of hair on the top. Next, we will draw the rest of the bear's head. Feel free to make bear's head bigger or smaller. After all, bears come in all shapes and sizes. Next, we will draw in the bear's ears and body. Let's not forget the bear's arms too. I'm going to add some lines on the side to show that the bear is moving. Now let's draw in the rest of the bear's skateboard. You can draw a longer skateboard or draw a skateboard that is completely different shape. Have fun with the drawing and use your imagination to play around with the artwork. Let's not forget to add some wheels under our skateboard too. Next, we will start drawing in the bear's face. I'm going to draw 2 round dots for the eyes. Feel free to add bigger or smaller eyes for your bear. Between the eyes, we will draw the bear's nose and mouth. Let's finish up by drawing a circle for its tummy. We are now finished with the outline. Let's start coloring our skateboarding bear. I will use my pink marker to color its ears and the blush on its cheeks. Next, I'm going to use my yellow and turquoise marker to color in the skateboard. You can also draw various designs on the skateboard or draw in shapes like stars or ears on the skateboard. Isn't it so cute already? Next, I'll use my orange marker to color in the rest of the bear. Let's try our best to color within the lines and not leave any white gaps. I don't do a perfect job of this, but that's okay. I think it's more important to enjoy the drawing process and just have fun. Feel free to change up the colors. Have fun and choose a combination of different colors that you like. Isn't coloring so much fun? If you want a challenge, you can add on more accessories for your bear. It can be a colorful hat or a long scarf. Feel free to use a few different colors to add a splash of colors to your bear's accessories. Doesn't it look fantastic already? It looks so awesome. Wow, look at our amazing little bear. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as bubbles or a park. You can also repeat this drawing and do lots of bear in the background. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the bear. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.